probably wondering, where's the guy with the crappy old red Escort? Where's he been? Yeah, well, basically, Christmas came along, ran out of money, kind of got put on hold, and then this year, about 4 months ago, I decided to start up my own little business. I'm doing powder coating, so I've been kind of busy with that really. Just here, just a quick update video. Most of my advertising and all that is done through Facebook. I'll put all the links in the description, just so if anyone wants to give it a like and a share, it's much appreciated. And I'll show you some bits I can practice on, and I'll quickly go around what's new in here, because obviously you see it's all changed. Yeah, so let's go for a quick little wander around. So yeah, here's some wheels that I've been messing around with. These are just like practice ones that I've been done a few months ago now. In the little room over there, which is new, is basically got a little chemical tank in there, so I can put wheels in there and strip all the paint off them. So yeah, we've got the shot blasting cabinet here, which is quite a nice bit of kit. And lift it up and you can have a look in. Nothing really that exciting, it's just a box of the clothes in it basically. Yeah, and then say we've got a little homemade spray booth in here. Can't really afford £3,000 for a new one at the moment, so it kind of works. Powder coating gun, and then we have a big oven. I can even show you in the big oven. Pretty big, so you should be able to do like motorbike frames, things like that really, because that's the kind of stuff I want to be doing. If people want to see me try and incorporate the powder coating into the videos, obviously let us know, and I can kind of hopefully show some bits and bobs. I'm just trying to do this and make a living out of it really. Got a little MX-5, come out here quickly and I'll show you. There you go, just some little thing to mess around with. Yeah, I only really bought it really because it was going cheap and just something a bit more exciting than the Mondeo. Yeah, so that's basically where we're at. I would like to try and start and get some bits done on the Escort soon, because it's kind of on axle stands. I started taking the front suspension off, and then I just kind of got bored of it, gave up, kind of been on hold really. So as I said, all the links and stuff will be either down there or up there in the description. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.